Hi all, today let us see some of the important questions on Animal Farm written by George Orwell. First question, Russian Revolution started in the year. Russian Revolution started in the year. The answer is 1917. 1917. Next one, who wrote under the pseudonym George Orwell? Who wrote under the pseudonym George Orwell? The answer is Eric Arthur Blair. Eric Arthur Blair. Next one. Animal Farm is best described as a cautionary tale against dash. Animal Farm is best described as a cautionary tale against totalitarianism. Totalitarianism. Next one. In Animal Farm, George Orwell criticizes a world leader. Who is that? In Animal Farm, George Orwell criticizes a world leader. Who is that? The answer is Joseph Stalin. Joseph Stalin. Next one. What does Napoleon rename Animal Farm in his toast at the end of the novel? What does Napoleon rename Animal Farm in his toast at the end of the novel? The answer is the Manor Farm. The Manor Farm. Next one. When did the Battle of Cowshed take place? When did the Battle of Cowshed take place? The answer is October 12th. October 12th. Next one, the animals in Animal Farm represents the real life of people in which country? The animals in Animal Farm represents the real life of people in which country? The answer is Russia. Next one, the only good human being is a dead one. Who said this? The only good human being is a dead one. Who said this? The answer is Snowball. Snowball. Next one, which animal hides during the battle of the cowshed? Which animal hides during the battle of the cowshed? The answer is Molly. Next one, identify the speaker. Donkeys live a long time. None of you have ever seen a dead donkey. Identify the speaker. The answer is Benjamin. Next one, setting of Animal Farm. Setting of Animal Farm. The answer is England. Next one, the cart horses, especially Boxer, represent what part of communist Russian society? The cart horses, especially Boxer, represent what part of communist Russian society? The answer is the working class. The working class. Next question. Old Major's notion that all humans are enemies is summed up in what statement? Old Major's notion that all humans are enemies is summed up in what statement? The answer is four legs good, two legs bad. Four legs good, two legs bad. Next one. Where does Snowball learn strategies of warfare? Where does Snowball learn strategies of warfare? The answer is from the military books on Julius Caesar. From the military books on Julius Caesar. Next one, who represents Karl Marx in Animal Farm? Who represents Karl Marx in Animal Farm? The answer is Old Major. Next one, what is the maxim of Boxer? What is the maxim of Boxer? I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. That is the maxim of Boxer. I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. Next one, what title does Napoleon assume for himself? What title does Napoleon assume for himself? The answer is President of the Republic. President of the Republic. Next one, what Russian institution does the Raven Moses evoke? What Russian institution does the Raven Moses evoke? The answer is the Russian Orthodox Church. The Russian Orthodox Church. Next one, which Russian leader does Snowball most resemble? Which Russian leader does Snowball most resemble? The answer is Trotsky. Trotsky. Next one, who is the mouthpiece of Napoleon? Who is the mouthpiece of Napoleon? The answer is Schuler. Next one, who teaches the sheep to chant four legs good, two legs better? Who teaches the sheep to chant four legs good, two legs better? The answer is Squealer. Next one, with whom Napoleon plays cards at the end? With whom Napoleon plays cards at the end? The answer is Mr. Pilkington. Mr. Pilkington. Next one, what is the subtitle of Animal Farm? What is the subtitle of Animal Farm? The answer is Fairy Story. Fairy Story. Next one, how does Napoleon express his contempt for Snowball's windmill plan? How does Napoleon express his contempt for Snowball's windmill plan? The answer is by urinating on it. By urinating on it. Next one, who is referred as the worst tempered animal? Who is referred as the worst tempered animal? The answer is Benjamin. Next one. Next question. Orwell completed Animal Farm during which war? Orwell completed Animal Farm during which war? The answer is the World War II. The World War II. Next one. What does Napoleon claim was his idea, which was really Snowball's idea? What does Napoleon claim was his idea, which was really Snowball's idea? The answer is building a windmill. Building a windmill for the electricity. Next one. From whom does Napoleon buy neighboring farmland? From whom does Napoleon buy neighboring farmland? The answer is Mr. Pilkington. Mr. Pilkington. Next one, old major is dash years old. Old major is dash years old. The answer is 12 years. Next one, who is devoted to boxer? Who is devoted to boxer? The answer is Benjamin. Benjamin is devoted to boxer. Next question, who is the foolish, pretty, white mare fond of sugar? Who is the foolish, pretty, white mare fond of sugar? The answer is Molly. Next one, who was the missing animal in the meeting? Who was the missing animal in the meeting? The answer is Moses. Next one, what did Jones do with old toothless dogs? What did Jones do with old toothless dogs? The answer is drown them. Jones used to drown them. Next one, which book helps Snowball to build the mechanical details of windmill? Which book helps Snowball to build the mechanical details of windmill? The answer is 1000 useful things to do about the house. 1000 useful things to do about the house. Next one, the pigs began to sleep in the farmhouse, but it was against their dash commandment. The pigs began to sleep in the farmhouse beds, and it was against their which commandment? The answer is fourth commandment. Next one, who learned the whole alphabet but failed to put them together? Who learned the whole alphabet but failed to put them together? The answer is Clover. Clover. Next one, Wild Comrades Education Committee was formed for. Wild Comrades Education Committee was formed for taming rats and rabbits. Taming rats and rabbits. Next one, who learned to spell her name? Who learned to spell her name? Molly. Next one, George Orwell's Animal Farm is an example of. George Orwell's Animal Farm is an example of dystopian fiction. Dystopian fiction. Next one, what was the sixth commandment? What was the sixth commandment? The answer is no animal shall kill any other animals. No animal shall kill any other animals. Next one, they draw Napoleon's portrait in which color? They draw Napoleon's portrait in which color? The answer is white. Next one, who was assigned the duty of testing the food of Napoleon? Who was assigned the duty of testing the food of Napoleon? The answer is Piggy. The answer is Pinky the pig. Pinky the pig. Next one, a horse's lungs do not last forever. Who said so? A horse's lungs do not last forever. Who said so? The answer is Benjamin. Next one, how many letters did Boxer able to read? How many letters did Boxer able to read? The answer is 4 letters. They are A to D. Next one, who is the owner of Pinchfield? Who is the owner of Pinchfield? The answer is Mr. Frederick. Mr. Frederick is the owner of Pinchfield. Next one, who wrote a song that replaced Beast of England? Who wrote a song that replaced Beast of England? The answer is Minimus. Next question, to whom does Napoleon sell the farm's pile of timber? To whom does Napoleon sell the farm's pile of timber? The answer is Mr. Frederick. Next one, the speech of Old Major mirrors the ideals of dash. The speech of Old Major mirrors the ideals of the Communist Manifesto. The Communist Manifesto. Next one, how many days after the night assembly do the Old Major die? How many days after the night assembly do the Old Major die? After 3 days. After 3 days, Old Major die. Next one, who alters and rewrites the 7 commandments? Who alters and rewrites the 7 commandments? The answer is Squealer. Next one, how is the windmill destroyed for the first time? How is the windmill destroyed for the first time? It was destroyed in a storm. It was destroyed in a storm. Next one, which animal voluntarily leaves the farm? Or which animal voluntarily leaves the farm? The answer is Molly. Next one, what excuse does Squealer give for the pigs taking all the apples and milk? What excuse does Squealer give for the pigs taking all the apples and milk? The answer is the pigs need them for the brain. The pigs need them for the brain. Next one, Clean Tail League was formed for the cows. It was formed for the cows. Next one, who read out scraps of newspaper for others? Who read out scraps of newspaper for others? The answer is Muriel the goat. Muriel the goat. Here comes the end of this session. If you like this video and if you find it helpful, please do share among your friends and please drop your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you.